welcome back to my channel. I'm just stopping by today to share a design team project for the Cutting Cafe. Every month on the 7th and the 21st of the month, Regina gives us a file and asks us to create something with it. This month she wanted us to use the ugly Christmas sweater. Nothing ugly about it, it's quite useful actually. It does come in a card format and it's in SVG, MTC, PDF file, so you can print and cut. You don't just have to cut it on an electronic machine. Now I use the scan and cut, so I did take it into there and I cut it out. And it comes as a card with the fold already in it, and then you get the extra layers such as the wristbands and the bottoms here, you know, the collar bit. So I cut it all out in different papers and thought, you know what, a clock. It's definitely a boy's clock. I used a simple panel background, you know, the wood effect sort of look, and it's a right nice light grey, so it'll go perfect in one of my boys' bedrooms. Use the jumpers at 12, 3, 6 and 9, and for the other numbers I just simply used a black dot from an 1/2 inch circle punch. Nothing major about it. And then we also got the clock mechanism from eBay. You can buy them for about £2 or £3. eBay and Amazon, it's not a big deal, and I'm sorry if you just heard the printer going then, that was my youngest son printing something off. The only other thing that I did, I stuck it all down and I gave it a coat of Mod Podge just to protect it a little bit. The only other thing I did do before that was I actually inked the edges just to soften it a little bit. It just looked a little bit plain and a little bit stark sort of thing, so I just added a little shadow to bring it all in a little bit. But I'm really impressed with how it turned out. Such a quick and easy thing, such a simple file to use. Bob's your uncle. A nice little own project for a bedroom, and he's got the clock to see what time it is. Make sure he's out of bed for school in the morning, that's basically what it is. Okay, so I hope you like it. Please visit my channel again, and if you like it, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to pop over to the Cutting Cafe, where you will find lots and lots of different files like this, lots of fabulous files for you to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.